Imagine spending $3 million on a car and it won't start because you're not wearing cologne. That's the reality with this Hypercar breathalyzer, built to detect luxury scent profiles. If your fragrance isn't up to its ego, engine stays off. It's like valet service for your nose. Luxury is no longer just about horsepower, now it's about how you smell. This isn't just tech, it's brand psychology. The cologne lock-in creates exclusivity. It's a gatekeeper to your own flex. If you don't smell the part, you can't play the part. Would you buy a car that judges your scent? Drop your signature fragrance in the comments.